One hot summer day, a stag went to a pool to drink water. The pool water was clear, it could see its reflection in the water. It felt proud of its beautiful horns, but when it saw the shadow of its thin legs, it felt sad and hated them. While it was still drinking of its ugly legs, it heard the sound of the horses' hoofs of a huntsman and the barking of hounds. It ran for its life as fast as its leg could carry it. In no time, it left the hounds off far behind. Now it happened to pass through a thick forest. As he rushed through, its horns got caught in the branches of a tree. It struggled hard to free itself, but all in vain. Meanwhile, the hunter and his hound came chasing it. The hounds fell upon it and killed it. The legs it hated had carried it away from the hounds, while the beautiful horns brought about his death.